Amber hue, unveiled. Dive into the beauty of language. Hey everyone! Today, we're going to delve deep into the mesmerizing world of English expressions. Our topic of focus? The phrase, amber hue. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it. Amber and hue are two distinct words, but when combined, they form a rich and evocative expression. Let's break it down. Amber. This refers to a hard translucent fossilized resin produced by extinct coniferous trees. It can be found in various shades, ranging from a golden yellow to an orange-brown color. It's the same material that sometimes contains ancient insects, beautifully preserved for millions of years. Hue. A simpler way to think of hue is as a color, or shade. It describes the quality of a color as to which primary color or combination of primary colors it resembles. Together, amber hue describes a particular shade of color, similar to the golden yellow or orange-brown of amber. Now that we understand what amber hue means, let's discuss its usage. 1. Descriptive writing. If you're describing a sunset, you might say, "The sun cast an amber hue across the horizon." It paints a vivid picture of a warm, golden light. 2. Poetry and songs. Given its evocative nature, amber hue is a favorite among poets and songwriters to convey warmth, nostalgia, or beauty. 3. Everyday conversation. It's not limited to just literature or music. If you see something with a color reminiscent of amber, you can describe it as having an amber hue. Understanding synonyms helps to deepen your grasp of a phrase. Here are a few alternatives to amber hue: golden glow, honeyed shade, sunlit tint. These can be used interchangeably, depending on the context, to convey a similar visual of warm golden yellow or orange-brown colors. There you have it. Amber hue is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the warmth and beauty of a color reminiscent of fossilized resin. Language is a powerful tool, and by understanding such expressions, you enrich your vocabulary and expression. We hope this video shed light on the phrase for you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the depths of the English language.